How to delete your astrological profile on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video, I will show you how you can delete your astrological profile on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To delete your astrological profile on Snapchat, just open up the Snapchat app. And then, if I tap on my Bitmoji avatar from the top left, you'll be able to see my current astrological profile is set to Pisces. Now, if I tap on it, you'll be able to see all of the other details as well. So what if you want to delete your astrological profile? Well, in order to delete our astrological profile, come to your Bitmoji avatar page as we did earlier. Then tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then under it, you'll find the option called birthday. Just tap on birthday. And here you can see your astrological birthday. All you have to do is tap on this little cross icon right next to it in order to clear your astrological birthday, and tap on the clear option, and this will completely delete your astrological profile if you come back and then refresh it. So let me also go ahead and close this Snapchat application and then refresh it again to show you that my astrological profile would have been successfully deleted. And that's all it takes to delete your astrological profile on Snapchat. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.